This video walks you through how to use make.com for automating daily tasks. Begin by logging in to make.com. Once you are on the main dashboard, click Create a new scenario. This opens the scenario builder where you will set up the sequence of events for your automation. If a blank canvas appears, that is where each part of the workflow will be added. Next, click the plus button to add the first module. This first module is the trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Choose the app you want to use, then select the trigger that matches the event you want make.com to watch for. The trigger might be a new item, an update, or another event supported by that app. Make sure you select the trigger that fits the task you want to automate before moving on. After choosing the trigger, create or select the required connection. Make.com will prompt you to authorize access to the app so the scenario can read or send information as needed. Sign in with your account if prompted, then confirm the permissions. If you already have a connection set up, you can select it instead of creating a new one. Check that you are connecting the correct account before continuing. Once the trigger is connected, click the plus button after that module to add the actions you want make.com to perform. These action modules define what happens after the trigger runs. Add each action in the order you want it to happen. Depending on your workflow, this could involve sending data, creating records, updating information, or passing details from one app to another. With the modules in place, configure each one by completing the required settings. You will also need to map data from the trigger into the action modules. This means selecting the values pulled in by the trigger and placing them into the fields used by the next steps. Take a moment here to match the right data to the right fields because this determines how the automation behaves when it runs. When the setup is complete, click Run once to test the scenario. Make.com will process the workflow using live or sample data depending on the trigger and app. Watch the modules as they run and verify that the results match what you expect. If something does not look right, review the settings and the map fields, then test again. After the test works correctly, click Scheduling to choose when the scenario should run. You can set it to run at regular intervals or immediately after a trigger, depending on the options available for that scenario. Select the timing that matches how you want the automation to operate in your daily workflow. To finish, click Save, then switch the scenario on so it starts running automatically. Your make.com scenario is now saved, scheduled, and active for automating your daily tasks.